Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of herbal medicine. Many people consider it an alternative to modern medicine. But what if I told you that, in reality, today's medicine is the alternative to age-old herbal remedies? These natural solutions have stood the test of time, offering effective relief without the side effects often associated with modern medicine. Welcome to the lost secrets of herbs. Before we dive into our recipe for a homemade cough syrup, let me share why I've chosen herbal treatments for myself and my family. It's about embracing a healthier and more balanced lifestyle. First, herbal medicine has a rich history of providing effective solutions for various health issues. It takes a holistic approach, aiming to address the underlying causes of ailments, rather than merely masking symptoms. Second, herbal remedies are often gentler on our bodies, with fewer side effects compared to synthetic drugs. They work in harmony with our natural systems. Now, let's get practical. I'm going to show you how to make a simple yet highly effective herbal cough syrup using just 2 ingredients: onions and honey. But why onions and honey, you might ask? Let me explain. Onions are a natural source of compounds with anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. These properties can help soothe throat irritation and reduce coughing. Now, let's talk about honey. Honey is not just a sweetener, it's a remarkable natural remedy for coughs. It boasts antibacterial and antiviral properties, which can combat infections. Moreover, its thick consistency can coat your throat, providing relief from irritation and coughing. Start by taking a glass and layering it with chopped onions. Alternate layers of onions and honey until the glass is filled. Now, place this glass in the fridge and let it sit overnight. The next day, use a strainer to separate the liquid from the onions. What you're left with is a natural cough syrup that can last in the fridge for up to a week. For adults, take 1 tablespoon 3 times a day. For children, half a tablespoon per day is sufficient. You'll find that after just 2 days, you won't need it anymore. That's how effective it is. So, combining the soothing properties of onions with the healing power of honey creates a potent cough syrup that's both effective and delightful. You see, the reason I'm so passionate about herbal remedies is that I've personally chosen this path for myself and my family to live a better life. It's not just about the absence of illness, it's about overall well-being. I hope that by sharing my knowledge and experiences, I can help you do the same. Since we've got a treasure trove of herbal remedies for various ailments, I want to make sure I'm addressing the topics that matter most to you. So, please, drop your suggestions and questions in the comments below. Is there a specific health issue you'd like us to explore, or perhaps a particular herb you're curious about? Let us know, and we'll do our best to cover it in a future video. Your feedback and input are invaluable to us. Thanks for being part of our community. Remember, when it comes to your health, sometimes the best solutions are around us. Stay healthy, stay natural. Thanks for watching, and until next time.